Good morning, student. How are you? Perhaps I think you are all well. But if you from hygiene, you say maintain you well hygiene. Achha, now in previous classes I discussed something about narration, but now I am going to write some separate sentence, two separate sentences. He says, I read a boldly MMR secondary school. That is school. He says I read in boldly MMR secondary school. He says I read in Bollis MMR secondary school. Here you can see a sentence A. In the sentence A, he says, the speaker says about that quoting India, the speech quoted in the exact of the speaker in the sentence. Here it is a direct narration and direct speech. You know, narration is of two kinds. The direct speech or direct narration are indirect speech or indirect narration. Direct speech should contains reported speech. Direct speech contains reported speech. Reported speech A D reporting R C reported speech reported আপনার শিশুকে নিকটস্থ টিকাদান কেন্দ্র থেকে নির্ধারিত দিনে ভিটামিন নিরাপদ খাওয়ান, স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলুন, মাস্ক ব্যবহার করুন, সামাজিক দূরত্ব বজায় রাখুন। একটি বিশেষ ঘোষণা আগামী 14 অক্টোবর থেকে 17 অক্টোবর জাতীয় ভিটামিন এ প্লাস ক্যাম্পেইন 6 মাস থেকে 11 মাস
secondary school. MMR secondary school. Reporting ভাগ হলো and says reporting speech হলো thesis. আর verb of the reported speech হলো read. Dear student, you can see the direct narration বা direct speech it contains reported speech, that is I read in the boldly memorized. Reporting verb হলো says, reporting speech হলো he says, verb of the reported speech হলো read. Here the verb with which we produce the speech of another person is a reporting verb. That is reporting verb in the sense. And what is being reported by the verb is the reported speech. Is the reported speech. The speech quoted in the excerpt, the speech quoted in the excerpt of the speaker is called the direct speech or direct narration. Direct speech, it is always contained within inverted comma. Within inverted comma. Now, I write another sentence. I write another sentence. He says that he reads in only AMR secondary What do you see? What is the difference between two sentences? A sentence 1 and 2. What is the difference? What do you see? You see that the sentence, the reporting speech and reported speech. Reporting speech and reported speech are joined by a linking word there. Linking word that is there. And comma, inverted comma are omitted. They are omitted. There is no inverted comma here. So this is the difference. The speech without putting the excerpt words of the speaker. Excerpt word of the speaker. Here. Now, for assertive sentence, how to change direct narration by direct speech, how to change into the indirect speech or indirect narration. How? Rules to know it. Can I erase it? Yes. Dear student, you take down this what I am writing here. You can writing notebook. Rose, rules in general rules and special rules. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense in the reported speech is not changed. Is not changed. If he says I am writing a letter. In indirect speech will be he says that because comma always in indirect narration, indirect speech, comma, inverted comma always be omitted, is always be omitted. That he was writing a he says I am writing a letter. He says that he is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. There is no change in sentence, in tense. So we can say the rules on if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the reported speech should not be changed. If he will say, he will say, I write on paper, What will be, dear student, what will be the indirect direct speech, and if you sense into the indirect speech, you can write this way. He will say, that he writes on paper. So we can say that if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense in the verb is not unchanged. verb is in the past tense, the reported speech should be past tense. If the reporting verb is the past tense, I can cite an example. He said, I write one paper. I write on paper. If we turn into a indirect speech, we write, he said that he wrote a letter. He wrote on paper. Then we can say rule number 2, if the reported speech, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the reported speech should be changed corresponding tense, past tense, corresponding past tense. That is, if the verb of the reported speech in the present indefinite, it turn into a past indefinite. If the reported speech is in the past tense, the verb of the reported speech is in the present continuous, it changed into a past continuous. So there are, if the another general rules and special rules, exceptional rules যেটাকে বলা হয়, exceptional rule will be, if the reporting verb present what future or past tense and the reported speech quoted reported speech is in the is in universal truth or habitual fact, it cannot be changed. The tense will not be changed. Another, take down this note. Dear student, have you written this? Yes. Now, the teacher, rules 3, the teacher said the earth is round. Here you can see the reporting speech is in the past tense, but the reported speech is in the universal truth. So the tense will not be changed. The tense will not be changed of the the reported speech. So we can write the teacher said the teacher said that the earth is round. What is the rules of it? If the repeating verb is in the past tense, but the reported speech is in the universal truth or habitual fact, the tense of the reported speech should not change. Only linking word that will be added, and comma is omitted. Now the student you can understand the what is narration. We can discuss this way. Narration is two ways, each of two kinds: indirect narration, direct narration, and indirect narration. Direct narration is the speech quoted in the excerpt of the speaker is called the direct narration or direct speech. But when the speech is in the excerpt is quoting without quoting in the excerpt word of the speaker, it is called the indirect narration. Generally, direct narration is sensed into indirect narration. It is joined by only conjunction by linking word there, and comma always it is always be omitted. So dear student, you can now you write down your home task. What will be the sentences direct into indirect? Home task. Write down it. Home task. Direct. The boy says, I am fine. To the boy, the man said, I am going to Bajar, going to Bajar. He said, I write a letter. So, she just said, I have no pen to write. He said, what the liquid substance. What is liquid? Now today student, more when we meet again. Thank you.